Alright guys, we're gonna unbox another package we had Lazada delivered. Buksan natin para makita nyo kung ano laman, right? Yup. Ito nga yung HD webcam na in-order ko. Alright? Kuha ko ng gunting. Puro na rin eh. Yup. This is it. And this is the Fantech HD webcam. So the actual unboxing begins now, guys. Let's check. Sabi sa akin kasi ng store na meron na siyang built-in cam. That's what it looks like. Wait, may lens cover. Nice. Oh, well, I actually don't have to unless the manual says so, hindi ko tatanggalin ito kasi protection din yun. Talagang ikakabit siya sa laptop. Okay? $2K. Hanggang $2K. Anyway, at least hindi mabubugbog yung webcam ng laptop ko. Kasi meron siyang extension cam. Paano natin ikakabit ito? Anyway, buksan natin yung laptop natin ngayon, okay?
Later.
Bago natin buksan, siyempre, nakapuna natin. Ito yung webcam ng laptop. Stretch. Okay. Ito natin dito. Kailangan ko na ng tama. Alright. How are you going to put it right here? Kunin muna natin yung kahon. Manual, ha? Okay. So, ima-mount lang pala. Sorry guys, first time ko talaga gumamit ng external webcam sa buong buhay ko. Bago tayo ngayon. So, ito, dapat itatapat dito. Here. Oh, okay. Ganun lang pala ito. Ganun lang. Let's see if it's level 2. Okay. Tanggalin natin itong itong plastic ng lens cover. Total, may lens cover naman eh. Okay lang. Okay. So, now we're ready. Let's boot it up. Ay, hindi para siya talagang cover ng... Ah, okay. So... Mamaya na natin pakilaman yung anong yan. Ito na lang. Nandiyan naman yung lens. Buboot up pa guys eh. Okay. Kasi kung na-detect ng device ng laptop natin itong camera. Let's parang hindi nyo nakikita eh. Okay? Ito yung ano. Ito naman siya power switch eh. Okay, so we're trying power director again. Natin gagalawin dito. Audio device. Right. Alright, here we go. Not recognizing the capture device. I have no choice now but to restart the laptop. Baka sakali lang eh. Never thought this would be hard.
Later.
Yeah, I just noticed guys. Kanina meron dito, may power icon dito eh. When I naka-off ang camera. Oh, okay. So, teka, let's compare. Ito yung una eh. Mic test, mic 1, 2, 3, mic 1. Dito galing yon. Mic test 1, 2, 3, mic. Medyo sabog ang audio dito. So this video was recorded using the built-in microphone. So, ulitin natin ha. So well, let's take a look first at the video quality. I don't know if you can see that.
Mic test 1, 2,
Medyo
2,
snowy eh.
1, 2, 3, mic.
Medyo snowy siya. So first, using this one,
Mic test, mic 1, 2, 3,
Yan.
mic 1, 2.
pino ng audio, pero it's almost the same. Okay lang. Kanina kasi naka-on ito eh. Alright. Let me delete this please. Well, ewan ko kung nakita nyo yung difference ha. The difference is in the audio eh. At ito. Ayun. Okay. So pag kabit natin ulit ito, on na ang mic. On na yung mic, yung camera. So the camera is on na. Okay, we're gonna do another test again. Alright? Okay, so we're going to turn on the camera. Okay. Mic test. 1, 2, 3, mic. 1, 2, 3, mic. Turn it off. Ubutin natin ngayon. Mic test. 1, 2, 3, mic. 1, 2, 3, mic. Okay.
So after okay, hell and high water, which includes bugging the seller how to do it, pero nung medyo na busy na siya, medyo kinaligod ko na ng konti. So right now you are watching this review from the new webcam itself. Okay, so I'm loving the results right now kasi compared sa original na webcam ng laptop, medyo fuzzy, at saka yung audio, it's even capturing the air in the room. Right now, there's none of that. So, well, I'm quite satisfied with what I have right now with the webcam I got, and very accommodating yung seller. Very accommodating. And of course, the usual delivery, no issues. So, ano ang verdict natin for this particular Lazada poll? No-brainer. 2 thumbs up! I love this new webcam.